Introduction to Linux. Multi-user systems. Creating shared folders on servers. In this video, we will look at how we can create a shared folder for multiple users on a server. So first, let's go into our local machine and check the current folder. Next, let's go into the remote machine by typing ssh space ladmin add IP address. The password you need to type here, then you press enter. Now we are logged in into the remote machine. Next, let's go into the documents folder in our machine. Let's choose the colors folder so it's much easier to see the difference. So we've got 4 files here. Now in the remote machine, we will add a user, James. So let's understand who is James. So James is the third level user. The second level user is ladmin and the first level user is root. So you need to add sudo add user James. Then we press enter and type the password for ladmin. And now type the password for James. Retype the password for James. You can skip this by pressing enter and press Y. And now we've already added a user called James. Let's try to add another user, Agnes. So please note, you need to have sudo in front. Okay, so let's type the password for Agnes. Retype the password for Agnes. Press Y and now we've added the user Agnes. So let's go into a common folder /srv. So inside srv, it's an empty folder. We will create a folder by using the root user, the first level admin. So sudo make-dir geometry ls, we've got geometry there. So we can see that the geometry folder is owned by root. Okay, now we need to change the permission on geometry to make everyone accessible to it. So this is the command sudo chmod 777 geometry. Now if you check the permission again, everybody can access into geometry. Now geometry is an empty folder. Let's look at how we can connect using the GUI. So we need the username and password, and we should not forget that we have to type sftp in front and then press connect. We type the password for ladmin and press connect. Now let's go into the ladmin srv folder. So we go into here and we can see the geometry folder is there. The folder is empty. So at this point, we have 3 users in the remote machine. We will now attempt to copy 3 files, assuming from 3 different users, into the shared folder. So currently the folder is empty. Let's go into our current machine, and now we are copying the file blue, but the username here is James. Alias IP address /srv/geometry. So this is the shared folder. Then we type the password for James. We have managed to copy the file blue. So we check again inside the contents. There's the file blue. Now we type ls, we can see. But now we type another command, ls space -la. Now let's copy another file, green, but this time we assume we are the user ladmin. Into the folder geometry / enter. So this time it will ask for ladmin's password. We've managed to copy that file green, assuming we are the user ladmin. So now when we type ls-la, we can see that green has been copied by the user ladmin. Next, let's try to copy the file red. And this time, we will assume we are Agnes. Alias IP address followed by the folder name / enter. So here it will ask for Agnes password. We type that, the file has been copied. Let's check on the server, the remote machine. We type ls-la, we can see that there are 3 files and each of it is from a different user. So this is how we can create a shared folder for multiple users. Thank you.